Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that claim to be the best in the market. On the left, we have the RedTiger F7N dash cam hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the SUVCON dash cam. Get ready to buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of dash cams. Let's start with the price, shall we? The RedTiger F7N comes in at a budget-friendly $25, while the SUVCON will set you back $199. Now, I don't know about you, but that's quite a difference. You could buy 8 Tiger dash cams for the price of one SUVCON. So if you're on a tight budget, the RedTiger might be the way to go. Now let's talk about installation. The RedTiger F7N boasts an easy and hidden installation. No more messy cables hanging around your car. On the other hand, the SUVCON claims to be plug and play. Well, I don't know about you, but I prefer my dash cam to be more than just a toy. So the RedTiger takes the win in the installation category. Moving on to features, the RedTiger F7N offers 24-hour surveillance, ensuring continuous power supply even when your car is turned off. It also has multiple security protections, including low-voltage protection. On the other hand, the SUVCON has a triple dash cam setup, monitoring both inside and outside the car. It even has a G sensor for emergency recording. But here's the thing, folks. Do you really need 3 cameras? I mean, are you planning to shoot a Hollywood movie while driving? The RedTiger's 24-hour surveillance and security protections make it a winner in my book. Ah, the night vision. We've all been there driving in the dark, hoping to capture something interesting on our dash cams. The RedTiger F7N comes with infrared LED lights for clearer night vision. The SUVCON, on the other hand, boasts superior WDR technology. Now I'm no expert, but I do know that the RedTiger's infrared lights will make sure you don't miss a thing, even in the darkest of nights. The RedTiger F7N dash cam hardwire kit takes the crown in today's battle of the dash cams. With its unbeatable price, easy installation, 24-hour surveillance, and clear night vision, it's a no-brainer. But hey, if you're a movie director on wheels, maybe the SUVCON is your thing. Remember, it's all about finding the right product for your needs. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and as always, stay smart and make those wise buying decisions. And there you have it, folks. The RedTiger F7N dash cam hardwire kit takes the crown in today's battle of the dash cams. With its unbeatable price, easy installation, 24-hour surveillance, and clear night vision, it's a no-brainer. But hey, if you're a movie director on wheels, maybe the SUVCON is your thing. Remember, it's all about finding the right product for your needs. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and as always, stay smart and make those wise buying decisions.